Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger at once. If you send a risky message on Facebook, you can easily unsend it so it deletes on your end and the recipient's end. However, keep in mind that the deleted text may still be seen if they request a copy of their Facebook data. Here's how to permanently delete Facebook messages on your phone. First, tap on the Messenger app, then tap on the chats. You'll see your chats from most recent to least recent. Then, tap and hold the message or photo you want to delete. Now, tap on Delete. Depending on your version of the Messenger app, you may see delete instead of unsend. However, Messenger is still in the process of rolling out this change as of February 2025. Method 2. Using the Facebook app. Tap on the Facebook and tap on the speech bubble with the lightning bolt in the top right corner. You can delete messages you receive or unsend messages you sent. This process is nearly identical to deleting messages directly from the Messenger app. Then you'll see your chats from most recent to least recent. Then, tap and hold again the message or photo you want to delete. Now, you should see these photos in the menu that pop-ups, or you can manually delete the messages. If you're deleting a message sent by another person, tap Remove. If you're deleting a message sent by another person, tap Remove for you to confirm. The Unsend for Everyone options won't be available if you block the person. Delete any messages you want the recipient to see before blocking them. If you'd rather get rid of the entire chat conversation with someone, swipe left on the chat, then tap More and tap Delete twice. Note that doing this will delete the chat from your inbox, but anyone else in the conversation will still see it in their own chats list. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.